Hi guys, if Microsoft Teams users are facing this issue where links are not opening an app on Windows 11 computer, then here are the fixes. So the very first fix is just click on these three dots and now click on settings. And now scroll down and find files and links. Click on files and links. And now choose desktop. Always open Word, PowerPoint and Excel files in desktop. Just select desktop. If you see here, always open link in Microsoft Edge or default browser. If you see that option, change it to default browser. Now, if this also does not work, let's move to second fix. Just search settings, click on settings to open settings. And now just click on apps from the left. And now click on default apps from the right. And now search Teams. And now click on Microsoft Teams, and now just find these URLs. Okay, so there are many URL actions. Just click on it, and if there are two versions of Microsoft Teams here, okay, select the correct version. Okay, select the new version. Just select it, click on set default. Okay, for every option, select the correct version, which is your new version, and set it default. Now, if this also does not work, then let's move to the third fix. Just right click on start button and click on run. And now you have to go to this path. I pasted this path in the description of this video. Just copy this path and paste it in the run command box. Click on OK. And now select all the files and delete all the files. If they're not getting deleted, just search Task Manager, open Task Manager, just search Teams and right click and end task. Now try again and all the items will be deleted. Now open Microsoft Teams again and it will be reset. Now, if this is also not working, then let's move to last method. Just search Outlook Classic, click on it, and now just click on File, click on File, click on Options, and now click on Advanced. And now here in the File and Browser Preferences, where you see open hyperlinks from Outlook N, just choose default browser, click on OK. And now try again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and